Hey guys, welcome to another question of Ask Java series. In this video, we are going to see the types of inheritance. So as we saw in the previous video, inheritance is a concept where child class extends from the parent class. So let's say we have an animal class, which has a few properties like name, age, and some behaviors, let's say eat, sleep, etc. And dog is a child class which extends animal. So basically, dog by default gets all the properties of animal. And this is inheritance. Now here if you see there is one parent class and one child class. So the scenario in which there is one parent and one child extending from that parent, it is called as single inheritance. And this is the simplest type of inheritance. But there can be a situation where dog extends animal and animal is also extending some other class. So let's say a living being. So here if you observe, there are levels of inheritance. And dog gets properties from living being as well and animal as well. If you observe here, there is a relation like grandparent, parent and child. Parent extends from grandparent and child is extending the parent. So child gets properties of both grandparents and parents. And in OOP, this is known as multi-level inheritance because we have inheritance at different levels. Next, we have a situation where one parent can have multiple childs. So to take a simple example, there are lots of animals which are going to inherit the animal class such as dog, cat, monkey, fox, etc. So there can be a lot of classes extending from this class and every class is going to get the properties of animal class. So it's like one parent having multiple children. And this situation or this scenario is known as hierarchical inheritance. Now there can be one more situation where one child wants to extend from two parent classes. For example, let's assume monkey. It extends from animal as well as human. We'll take this example just for understanding purpose. So let's assume monkey wants to extend properties of two classes. This scenario where one child will extend from two classes or two parent classes is known as multiple inheritance. But this is not supported in Java. Why multiple inheritance is not supported in Java, we will see in another interview question. But it is good to know what multiple inheritance is. So it simply means one child having multiple parents. And last we have hybrid inheritance, which is combination of single and multiple inheritance. So it looks something like this. We have a parent class, then there are two classes extending from it, and then there is a other class which will extend from these two classes. So it is a combination. If you observe, this is a combination of single and multiple inheritance. But since multiple inheritance is not supported in Java, hybrid is also not supported in Java. But again, it's good to know this concept. So here we have 5 types of inheritance. Let's revise them once. First is single, where we have one parent and one child. Then we have multi-level inheritance, where we have relation of grandparent, parent and child. So there's one class, let's say A. B class extends from A and then C class is going to extend from B. Then we have hierarchical inheritance in which one parent can have multiple children. That is, multiple classes are going to extend from one class. And after that, we have multiple inheritance in which again one child has two parent classes. So one child wants to extend from two parent classes, but this is not supported in Java. And finally, we have hybrid, which is combination of single and multiple. So there we can have one parent extending two child classes and then again one child extending from two parents. So it is a combination that again is not supported in Java because multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. So this was about types of inheritance, guys. If you're asked this question in the interview, don't forget to mention all the types and don't forget that multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Why we'll see in the next video. If you have any questions related to inheritance or any other concept in Java, please mention them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you shortly. Till then, subscribe to our channel and also like and share this video. Thank you.